When I get the call last night, when the girl talks him eat out in vagina, the girl say him have infection. And him tell Lynchy, and Lynchy hold him down and eat out in vagina. And come home, come kiss me and sleep with me. Eh? Eh? And if me did catch disease when I yes, I make I come. If I did catch disease and tell him when I yes, I may bring it come home. Yeah, I would have me bring it come home. But you never know, say. All of them as something was going to come out. You never know. You never.
Bad Epic TV. Them dead, my dead.
Well, this is what I've been going through. And nobody knew. Nobody. I don't talk about it. And the only reason why I choose to come on here this morning, if you tell you no, say don't get the privilege to hurt another woman again. Him don't get the privilege to hurt another woman. Yes, you, David Anthony Lynch, from Retreat Set Me with claim your pastor. Claim your pastor. You claim you is a pastor. You claim you're a pastor. Pastor treat them wife good. Pastor take care of them family. Pastor not treat them family like filth. Pastor don't do that. Pastors don't do that. And you get up every day. God this and God go and beat you. Me say God go and beat you. And me tell you my tears them don't go. My tears them not going in vain. Not going in vain. You think them are going in vain? I mean, I pray no bad prayer for you, Lynchy. No bad prayer. Everything good me I pray for you. Cause me I go live. Me I go live to see you. Me I go live to see you. Me I go live to see you. You're old. I don't know why me all stick up old man. I don't know what's wrong with me, an old man. I don't know what's really wrong with me, an old man. Ever I take them up like me an idiot. Me a young green girl. Can't get any man me want. Me look good. I don't need your validation. Don't need it. I don't need it, Lynchy. Don't need it. He's a user. He's an abuser. He's a wicked. He's a manipulator. He's a false pastor. You is a false pastor. False. You criticize every other pastor, but you don't see your faults. You criticize every other else pastor, you don't see your fault. My mother did tell me, you know. My mother warned me, and I take a blind eye. You, my mother don't talk to me. Months, you. My mother don't talk to me, Lynchy. You. Me and my sister never fall out. You make we fall out. You. Like you want to mash up my family. You come to mash up my family. Me send come to Jamaica and tell you, say, my mother get visa if you come at the wedding. You put false information on the paper. You never know something that go find out. You never know I was going to find out. Wrong information. Wrong information. My mother won't be the first person to come to my daughter's wedding. That was the remarks. What kind of man you be? What kind of man? What kind of man? What kind of... God, me not love him come and say right now, go answer all of them questions that me ask. I would have loved for him to come and answer them. Answer them and tell me why you do the things you do. Me can't. People, I can't come to. Me can't come to. When I get the call last night, when the girl talks him eat out in vagina, the girl say him have infection. And him tell Lynchy, and Lynchy hold him down and eat out in vagina. And come home, come kiss me and sleep with me. Eh? And if me did catch disease when I yes, I make I come. If I did catch disease and tell him when I yes, I may bring it home. Yeah, I would have maybe bring come home. But you never know, say. All of them as something was going to come out. You never know. You never know. You never know. Let me tell you, God not sleep, you know. God not sleep. You see, God reveal everything to me, people. Everything. Everything come clear. Everything revealed to me. Proof. Everything just reveal out. Everything. Me have to tell people sometimes I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear. Because he walk and talk so much. He forgot to tell. He forgot to tell. But guess what? Me blame myself. I blame myself. Because people did tell me. Oh, me treat this man here. Oh, me treat you. Oh, me take care of you. Oh, are you if you take care of me and I me take care of you. Me take care of you. Whole heap of money me spend on the man. Whole heap. And it wasn't a problem. Like me a walk a mine old man. Come like that me a walk a mine old man. Yeah. Come like me a walk a mine old man. That me take up on myself. Old man. And I ask him, please, hurry up and file that divorce. I need it. I'm not sitting down in this. No, I don't want to talk about nothing, sir. So you coming to talk about, I don't want to talk about nothing. Me done. Me cup run over. Me tell me say run over. He run over like down a retreat river. Run over. Run over. Run over. People see how me deal with you. When we are getting married, me work. I have proof. I have proof. I work my back off. Even the talks with the man murder me by. And the man can give me fake wedding band. Fake. Fake. Fake wedding band. Fake. Fake wedding band, people. Who no look on that. Fake. I am not coming here to tell him the lie. If he come in here right now, repeat everything we are telling in front of him. Everything. I know me not lie. Man call my father. And my stepmother and tell him, all man are evil about me. It's when I tell my father the real reason. Me tell my father, me say call him on the phone. Me can tell what me I tell in front of him. And when I reveal to my father could have never believe. Let me walk and take care of old man. And that's all me can say. Because was that one. When I
Yo, what's up? Yo, I pray. Power you see that person in the head, dog. How am I going? Well, I want to say a woman house me going on it, and a man chop off of me, dog.
Them dead, my dead.
So, the man come in and come catch me, dog, and chop off of me. You here from the first part. I go for the start. Alright, so I have a million strike, isn't it? I have a million room and strike, I tell you. Lighter. Yeah, and don't strike and one, me do 2 runs and a cool off, you see me? Yeah. Cool on and fun and one. Just send the woman for a cool cup of lemonade. So I get some cool cup of lemonade, they got no syrup, like I don't style up with look. And then I go and check back and light up my ganja. Yeah. Yo! Light up my script now in a room. And I go and wait for the one to come back. Kick it back. When I check I start me hearing do a pull. Blood clean.